How to accept an invitation on Google Hangouts. Before you start, I want to say something about the invitation I received on Google Hangouts. I did not get any notification about this, and I almost missed it. So, if you send an invitation to somebody to talk on Google Hangouts, please tell them on the email or in a message. To check your invitations on Google Hangouts, tap on the three menu dots from the top left. Here, you will have invites. Tap on it. You will see your current invitations to talk on Google Hangouts. You can tap on Show Message to see the exact information sent by this person. Also, on the top, you have a button to ignore all chats. On every invitation to chat, you will have two buttons, Ignore and Accept. Just tap on the one action you want. If you accept the invitation, you can start the chat and receive notification when somebody sends you a message. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.